Hello everyone, welcome back to Protect Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to do an icebreaker on you. I'm going to share to you whether there is still a Netflix free trial going on, if it's available, in which countries is it available, and if it's not, I'm just going to share everything to you about the details of Netflix giving free trials in the year 2024 or not. So now let's just move on to the video. In order to verify which countries still has the feature of Netflix free trial, we're just going to search for Netflix free trial in the Google Chrome. You can just, search along with me or just watch this video. There is an official Netflix page which actually gives information about free trials. So right now I'm located in India. So as you can see, Netflix does not offer free trials in India. But you have the freedom to change your plan or cancel online at any time if you decide Netflix isn't for you. There are no contracts, no cancellation fees, and no commitments. You can sign up and take advantage of all Netflix has to offer. As a Netflix member, all our plans give you access to a full catalog of TV shows and movies. You can learn more about our plans and choose the ones that works for you. Well, this was the content in the article. Now let us search for some other famous countries. Okay, now I'm going to search for United Kingdom. The same, United Kingdom does not have Netflix free trials with them. I'm going to search for United States. United States also doesn't have a free trial with them. I'm going to just choose any country at random. You can just try it out. So with this, you can actually come to a conclusion that Netflix does not offer free trials anymore. Well, yes, this is true. So if you find any videos showing you guys that Netflix offers you free trial in the year 2024 or 2023, then it's going to be obviously a lie. Netflix stopped all free trials in the year 2022, and this video was actually made for you guys to show to show you guys that there are no Netflix free trials going on. So you may ask me, well, are there literally no ways to get a Netflix account for free? Well, yes, Netflix just stopped their free trials, but still there are ways with which you can actually obtain a Netflix for free. If you want to learn the ways to obtain Netflix for free, then all you have to do is go take a look at the description and the first comment. I would have pinned a comment in there. I have posted a few videos which shows you guys to obtain Netflix for free. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and if you want such more videos, then in the comment section just leave as Netflix. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive more updates from my channel. And it's me Surya Prakash from Protect Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.